Hi there, I'm Cole Slisarenko. I'm a sea kayak guide and sea kayaking instructor. I'm the owner of We Thrive Outdoors, and I'm a TRAK Kayaks pilot. I've helped the team here at TRAK Kayaks to assemble this educational learning platform to help paddlers build competencies and confidence in their new TRAK kayak, and to ultimately live their life unleashed. The purpose of these instructional videos is to provide proper body mechanics, tips, and best practices when performing strokes, re-entries, and other sea kayaking techniques. These videos are not a substitute or a replacement for formal training. However, they may get you started down the path to having more fun and safe paddling experiences. If you are interested in taking your skills to the next level, consider participating in an instructional course with paddling professionals.